Do you want to know how you can log into your BlackRock Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your account in BlackRock Mutual Fund. So what you need to do is open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and then search for BlackRock Mutual Fund login. Scroll a bit down and click on this link. After you click on that link, you can click on Institutional Clients Account and click on Gateway, which is beneath BlackRock. So after you click Gateway, the login portal will open up where you can see your email address box. Go ahead and write down your email address, click Next, and then write down your password. After you write down your password, click Sign In. And this way you can sign into your BlackRock Mutual Fund account. You can click on Remember Me and you will not have to write down your credentials when you log in the next time. And if you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, click on this link, write down your email address, click Reset via email, and then a mail will be sent to you by BlackRock. Go ahead and check your mail, click on the link sent to you, and then you can recover your password as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.